Hi, it's Rita Wilkins again, the Downsizing Designer. So before we talk about anything else today, I just want to congratulate you on doing this hard work. I want you to take a deep breath and know that you've been doing this hard emotional work. So whether you've gone through all 5 steps or you've just started to dip your toe in the water of decluttering all of your sentimental items, I want you to know that I see you and I'm with you every step of the way. So today isn't a lesson, it's a check-in, and it's a pause, and it's a moment of grace. So I know how easy it is to lose momentum because I've been there myself, and I've walked hundreds of other people through this very same process. Sometimes we hit a wall, life gets busy, the emotions feel heavier than we even expected, or we find ourselves starting, at an item and thinking, I can't make one more decision today. And guess what? That's okay. So a pause is not a failure. A pause is simply a pause. It's only when we stop completely, when we give up on our progress, that's when clutter wins. So today, I want you to give yourself permission to pause, but with intention. So if you take an item and you just say, what is it that's holding me back? What has been harder than I expected? And what's a small step that you can take sometime this week? You don't have to tackle the whole attic or the basement or even an entire bookshelf. Just recommit to one action. So set a simple restart date. Even if it's a few days from now, mark it on the calendar and say, this is the day that I'm going to begin again. And when you do, don't start from scratch. Pick up exactly where you left off. You've already made, you've built a strong foundation. You're not behind. You're exactly where you need to be. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about showing up again and again for the life that you want to create for yourself. So in tomorrow's email, I'll be sharing 3 of the most helpful resources that I've created to help people like you declutter with confidence and stay motivated, even when things feel heavy and overwhelming. But today I'd love to hear from you. So share your progress, your wins, even your struggles in the comments section of any of my YouTube videos. Use the hashtag #RitaandMe. And so I can find you and then respond to your message. You're not doing this alone. So you're doing something very brave, something transformational, and I'm walking right beside you. So keep going, because you've got this.